Get a feel for the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, power driver seat. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.